Patrol Academy!
Happy holidays, everyone! I'm Mr. Boom Boom, and welcome back to my music room. Today we're doing a special holiday-themed drum play-along! I'm using my Cajon drum today, and we're gonna play to a song called Here Comes Christmas. You can use your Cajon drum, but if you don't have one, it's okay. You can use your laps. You can use a bucket. You can use even a hand drum like a djembe drum or another hand drum. If you're gonna use buckets, the same patterns that I'm using with my hands, right, left, you can do with the bucket, with your drumsticks, right, left, okay? If you don't have a Cajon drum and you're interested in getting one, you can visit my website, mrboomboom.shop, and there I have my special children's Cajon drum that I designed, and you can get it 20% off by using code HOLIDAY20. Now, if you're ready to start our lesson, I want you to warm your hands up like this, and we're gonna do a big drum roll on the count of 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3, drum roll! Let's go. It's such a beautiful day. The birds are singing and they say, would you like to be my friend today? I'm Mr. Boom Boom, it's nice to see you. I've been waiting all day to ask you, would you like to be my friend? Come on and be my friend. Tell me, will you be my friend today? So how about it? Will you be my friend today? You will? Awesome! Let's start our lesson. Happy holidays, everyone. Save 20% on my drumsticks, drum pads, hand drums, shirts, and apparel, and more. Go to mrboomboom.shop and use promo code HOLIDAY20 to save 20%. For the song Here Comes Christmas, we're going to learn 3 patterns. The first one is pretty simple. It's just quarter notes. We're going to alternate between the middle and the edge of our Cajon drum. And remember, the middle gives us the low sound, and the edge gives us the high sound, like a snare drum. And it's the same thing whether you're using a hand drum or a bucket. The middle gives us the low sound, and the edge gives us the high sound. So let's play pattern 1. It goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Play with me. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice and even. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and stop. Notice that I'm never using the same hand twice. I'm alternating hands. And remember, your dominant hand is going to be the one that's in the middle. So for all of us that are right-handed, our right hand is in the middle and our left hand is on the edge. If you're left-handed, then you're going to switch. Okay? Let's do the pattern one more time. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And stop. Our second pattern is a little more challenging because we're playing eighth notes, but they're not regular eighth notes. They're swung eighth notes, swinging eighth notes, and we use them in jazz music a lot. So if we were to play regular eighth notes, they're nice and even like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. I want you to clap that with me. These are regular eighth notes. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. But if we swing the eighth notes, we go like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. You do it with me now. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So we're going to swing the eighth note at the end. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4 like that. All right, let's play it. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Just like that. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Stop. Very good. Now let's learn our third pattern, which consists of all swung eighth notes. It goes like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 let's go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and done. So let's put all 3 patterns together, starting with pattern 1, which was all quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pattern 2, let's go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Pattern 3, here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 stop. Very good. You learned all 3 patterns. Now it's time to get ready to play to the song Here Comes Christmas. Are you ready? All right, let's play. Pattern 1, nice and smooth. 2, 3, 4. Pattern 2, here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Back to pattern 1 now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Even quarter notes. Let's go. Back to pattern 2. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, pattern 3, let's go. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. And 1, 2, and 3, and 4. And swing those 8 notes. Let's go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Back to pattern 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pattern 2, let's go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Pattern 3, let's play. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and we're almost done. Keep it going. Looking for a safe, fun drum your little one can play during our lessons? Check out my new children's Cajon drum, designed by me, Mr. Boom Boom. I designed this with safety in mind, so it has a chair back so your little one can drum with confidence. Head over to mrboomboom.shop and use code YouTube10 to save 10%. Very good, everyone. I hope you all had fun learning the 3 patterns and playing to the song Here Comes Christmas, and I hope all of you have a very special happy holidays and a happy new year. See you next time. We had fun and sang some songs. Are you glad that you came along? I'm so glad that you're my friend. Come back and join me again. And don't be sad, I'll be your friend every day. So until next time, friends, don't forget you all are special and loved. I'll see you again soon, friends. Bye.